Hey there, today I will tell you about how to redeem codes in Marble Contest of Champions. So, the redeem codes in Marble Contest of Champions provide free rewards such as in-games items, crystals, and exclusive characters. These codes can help you progress faster and gain an edge in battles. So, here are the latest working codes of Marble Contest of Champions. These are the latest Marble Contest codes. You can copy it from here. So how you can redeem it? So first create a Kabam account linked to your game profile if you haven't already. Then open the settings menu in the game. Then create or log into your Kabam account using an email and password. Then visit the Contest of Champion shop page. Go to the official Marble Contest of Champion shop page. Then use the same credentials linked to your in-game account. Then scroll to the bottom of the page, find the promo code section. Then type in the code and click apply code to claim your rewards. Once the code is successfully redeemed, reward will be sent directly to your in-game inbox. And that's how you can redeem codes in Marble Contest of Champions.